Target your clients. Unlock the power of personalization and create meaningful connections with your clients using TaxDome's tags and bulk actions. You can create targeted strategies to promote the right services to the right audience, saving time and enhancing client satisfaction. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up targeted communications and share practical examples to get you started. Imagine you want to notify your small business clients about recent tax law changes that may affect their operations. It's essential that your clients are tagged. Tags make filtering precise and effective. To add tags, you can filter your clients by pipeline. For this example, we are selecting the bookkeeping small business pipeline. Then we'll apply the small business owner tag to all clients in that pipeline. This ensures you can quickly target specific groups for communication. Now, let's go to the accounts page and filter your clients. In this case, select clients tagged as small business owner. Once you've applied these filters, you'll have a precise list of clients impacted by the new tax laws. Next, click on More Actions and select the Send Message option. Next, craft your message. For example, send an email that highlights the changes in the tax laws, explains how these updates may influence their business or personal taxes, and outlines the steps they should take to stay compliant. Personalize your message to make it relevant and actionable for your audience. Finally, if you want to streamline this process for future communications, save the filter as a preset. This way, you can quickly access the same client group whenever you need to share important updates.